Chlorophytum comosum, often called spider plant, but also known as airplane plant, St. Bernard's lily, spider ivy, ribbon plant, and hen and chickens, is a species of perennial flowering plant. It is native to tropical and southern Africa and has become naturalized in other parts of the world, including Western Australia. Chlorophytum comosum is easy to grow as a houseplant. Variegated forms are the most popular. Chlorophytum comosum grows to about 60 centimeters, 24 inches high. It has fleshy tuberous roots, about 5 to 10 centimeters, 2 to 4 inches long. The long, narrow leaves reach a length of 20 to 45 centimeters, 8 to 18 inches, and are about 6 to 25 millimeters, 0.2 to 1.0 inches wide. Flowers are produced in a long branched inflorescence, which can reach a length of up to 75 centimeters, 30 inches, and eventually bend downward. Flowers initially occur in clusters of 1 to 6 at intervals along the stem, scape, of the inflorescence. Each cluster is at the base of a bract, which ranges from 2 to 8 centimeters, 0.8 to 3.1 inches in length, becoming smaller towards the end of the inflorescence. Most of the flowers which are produced initially die off, so that the inflorescences are relatively sparsely flowered. Chlorophytum comosum was first formally described by the Swedish naturalist Carl Peter Thunberg as Anthericum comosum in the 1794 volume of Prodromus Plantarum Cappaceum, Thunberg's work on the plants of South Africa. It was subsequently moved to a number of different genera, including Phalangium, Cassia, Hartwigia nice, and Hollia, before receiving its current placement in Chlorophytum by Jacques in 1862. There are 3 described varieties of the species: the autonym Chlorophytum comosum var. Comosum has strap-shaped narrow leaves and is found along forest margins. C. comosum var. bipindense has broader, petiolate leaves with stripes on the underside, and the inflorescences are 2 to 3 times the length of the leaves. And Chlorophytum comosum var. sparsiiflorum also has broader leaves that narrow to the base and usually lacks a petiole, and the striping on the underside of the leaf and the inflorescences are up to 2 times the length of the leaves. The latter 2 are rainforest-dwelling taxa that had earlier been described as separate species, but botanist Axel Dahlberg-Poulsen and Inger Nordal reduced the taxa to varieties of C. comosum in 2005. Chlorophytum comosum has a widespread native distribution in Africa, being native to 6 of the 10 World Geographical Scheme for recording plant distributions regions of Africa: West Tropical Africa, West Central Tropical Africa, Northeast Tropical Africa, East Tropical Africa, South Tropical Africa, and Southern Africa. Chlorophytum comosum is a popular houseplant. The species with all green leaves forms only a small proportion of plants sold. More common are 2 variegated cultivars. Chlorophytum comosum vitatum has mid-green leaves with a broad central white stripe. It is often sold in hanging baskets to display the plantlets. The long stems are white. Chlorophytum comosum variegatum has darker green leaves with white margins. It is generally smaller than the previous cultivar. The long stems are green. Spider plants are easy to grow, being able to thrive in a wide range of conditions. They will tolerate temperatures down to 2 degrees Celsius, 35 degrees Fahrenheit, but grow best at temperatures between 18 degrees Celsius, 65 degrees Fahrenheit, and 32 degrees Celsius, 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Plants can be damaged by high fluoride or boron levels. Spider plants have also been shown to reduce indoor air pollution in the form of formaldehyde, and approximately 70 plants would neutralize the formaldehyde released by materials in a representative CA160M2, 1,700 square feet, energy-efficient house, assuming each plant occupies a 3.8-liter plot.